Hey there, if you're watching this, then I know you're interested in finding out how you can avoid falling trap to MLM or multi-level marketing, pyramid schemes and companies, okay? First of all, my name's Rhys. I run a digital and social media marketing agency and consultancy based right here in London. And what I'm about to share with you is actually my own personal experience of MLM companies and the industry as a whole, okay? And what I'm going to do is actually provide you with 3 or 4 key things that you can look for in a MLM opportunity or business that may enable you to avoid it and hopefully save time and money on an opportunity that just isn't going to work out for you, okay? Now, first of all, what I'm about to share with you is my own personal experience. Around about 18 months ago, 2 years ago, in 2017, I was actually fortunate enough to go over to the United States to work. And this was really my first experience actually of the industry. As I say, I'm from the United Kingdom myself, and the market just, it's not really talked about. Most people just haven't got any idea that this type of industry exists or has been around. And that just might be because the size of the UK. I do know, there is an industry here. Multiple companies do actually operate these types of business models in the UK as well. But in the United States, as I'm sure you're aware, if you're watching this and you're from the US, this is a major industry. And most people grow up kind of being aware of it. Maybe they have friends or family members that have been involved in it in the past. And it has an extremely bad reputation for, a number of reasons. People losing money, people not making money with it. These are a number of valid reasons. And it really is an industry that, is tarnished. In the most case, rightfully so, okay? Not because of the types of people that are in it. My own experience actually, when I moved over to the US, I was fortunate enough to come across a large number of, people that were really successful in this field. Really good people, really good hearts, really good intentions. The type of people or person that's looking for an opportunity like this is in it usually for the right reasons. They're looking to earn extra income for themselves or their friends or families, just to help pay off bills or utility bills, and make an extra couple of $100s a month to, offset them costs of living. And this is one opportunity that's, really marketed heavily as a make money online, make 6 figures really quickly, quick cash type of, persona around it. Now, as I say, there's a number of things that we're going to go over in the next, 5 to 10 minutes that are hopefully going to give you the correct information of what to look out for in opportunities like this. Some of the promises that are made to people, some of the ways that, they're able to get you into this model and kind of keep you there. But to begin with, we're going to keep it really simple. And as I say, the MLM or, pyramid scheme type of companies and model is essentially really simple, okay? So this person here, we're going to say is, you, me, anybody that really is interested or looking for a way to make extra money. Maybe, you like the idea of working for yourself, having your own time and freedom from home. And you've come across, a post on, social media from somebody that is telling you, this is the next big business opportunity, kind of quit your job and work for yourself, essentially. Now, this is usually this is going to be our company, and we're going to call this Herbs and Runway. Okay, so these are just two, totally made up business or brand names. And these companies are selling a range of, that's beauty, protein, some healthcare, some wrinkle cream, whatever that may be, okay? Just as you would go to the shop and purchase from brands that you like, it's essentially the same. This is a brand that sells these types of products, okay? Now, one of the first things that you might notice is actually that these products are valued, at extremely high prices, okay? So, there may be starter packs or individual items, that could be a couple of $100 for, a beauty or foundation, skincare product, or whatever it is, okay? The first thing you're going to notice is that they're extremely high price points. Now, this is because this is where the margin is really made for these types of companies. So here is an MLM company, okay? Now they're able to make, insane amounts of margin in this. And this is actually also where they're, able to pay distributors, independent contractors, distributors to promote their products, because instead of putting in margin for marketing or, going into retail stores, they're essentially giving you the opportunity to, push these products and get perhaps a 6 to 8% commission or kickback, dependent on volume. Okay, I'm not going to go into individual compensation plans or anything of that type. I'm going to keep it really, really simple. Okay. Now, once again, these types of companies, and something that you need to look out for is actually that they're going to charge you not only, really high prices for the product, they're actually going to charge you a sign-up fee to even get started, okay? So we'll say anywhere from $500, could be a couple of $100 to about $5,000 just to get started, okay? So, in addition to that as well, in addition to the high-priced products and the setup fee, you're also going to now have to order a set amount of product each month in order to get, the types of commission that, the compensation plan enables or allows. So you could be running into hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars worth of product that you need to shift every single month in order to, be profitable and be able to, have a business that's running and that is successful. So in addition to that as well, as we say that, you're going to have to shift this product. So this is where most, people that get into MLM or multi-level marketing kind of come unstuck. This is why it has a really, really bad rep or reputation. This is where people go and speak to their friends and family and try and sell them on, how to become financially free, just to kind of shift stuff that, they haven't done, or can't get rid of. So this is bad, extremely bad. This is where relationships have kind of broken down, or stories that I've heard myself. They find it hard to find people that want to come on board. So I hope this has given you a overview of kind of the initial process and how the opportunity is presented. So if you are looking into this, I'm actually going to show you, just for extra clarity, these are the types of fees and setup costs involved. So LuLaRoe is actually one of the biggest ones in the USA currently. And as you can see, the startup cost to buy inventory is about $5,000 to $6,000. That's before you even start making any money or profit. So yeah, if you've come across somebody that's promoting these types of businesses, really be sure to look into it. Look into the compensation plan. Look into the types of monthly fees or costs that are associated with it. Take a look and try the products before anything. Make sure that they're good quality and not unreasonable for people to purchase. Now, as I've said earlier, this isn't a hit or a tarnish of the industry itself. People have gone on to earn millions of dollars, or hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. And the people that get into this, as I say, they're like-minded people, like me and you. They're interested in earning more money, having time freedom to do whatever they want, and this is just a vehicle and a business model to enable that. There's nothing wrong with those aspects at all, in my opinion. It's really is just making sure that people you are getting into the opportunity, or that are in the opportunity, are fully aware of the cost involved, and the type of business or business model that this is. Personally, I think an opportunity or a business model that enabled $0 setup fees, no monthly volume or subscription or sales, and actually products that were good quality, and ones that people want and use every day, would completely eliminate literally every single problem that this industry had, alongside the ability to earn 5 times the industry average, is something that actually makes sense to people. This is something that we've actually been working on for the past 2 to 3 years. This is a platform that's being put together to really disrupt the MLM industry, take away every single bad point that has tarnished its reputation, which is really needed. The business model and the people haven't really changed or adapted throughout the years. It's stayed really stagnant. And it's time that an industry like this, or MLM, multi-level marketing, was really revamped and enabled millennials to earn passive income, or an income that could subsidize what they work with or for a reasonable amount. As I say, these are really like-minded people, like-minded individuals, and so long as no harm and value is passed on to people you share this with. It really is a win-win for everybody. So I hope this video has given you a basic level understanding of MLM and all of the bad connotations around it, and why people are losing money or have lost money in it, and some of the ways that this can be combated just by really delving into the type of opportunity and companies that you're coming across. Okay, now yeah, I hope this made sense to you, and I look forward to sharing more information and details on this. So yeah, until next time, have a great rest of the day, and peace out, guys.
Yeah. Hey.